What up, YouTube? We are in the jungle at Waterfalls again. I had a spare collar. As y'all can see, it's super big. It's a spare one for Mr. Wiggles or Luna. I have some in the shopping cart I'm about to order. I order them from a trapping supply company that also does like hound hunting supplies. And these collars are great. This is a big one, 23 inches. And as you can tell, it's super big. It's way big for Ms. Choco. And I put it on her though, and she got so happy. Like, she was so happy. She was so proud to have that collar on her. Yes, you like that collar, huh? And she's got a little bit of discharge in her eyes. Not sure what that is. Neighbor dog had it when she first showed up. Gonna take her to the vet, get a little ointment. And after about 3 days, it'll go away. It is contagious. It spreads to the other dogs, but nothing super detrimental. So we'll probably have to give them ointment on all their eyes for the next 3 or 4 days. Hi, Choco. You're pretty calm. I wish you would stop trying to get in the cars. Good morning, egg eater.
Good morning.
Sitting here chilling with Choco, waiting on real babes and Darbs to get moving. And you can see Gaza has completely positioned herself where she can keep an eye on Choco. That's right, we're talking about you, Gaza. And glare at her to make her feel intimidated. That's why Choco is constantly glued to a human. Luna got beat up last night, and then I yelled at her for getting in a dog fight. She's been really, really depressed. And I think that's because she lost her ranking as alpha dog. It's okay, Luna. You don't have to be the toughest girl here. You really don't. We're going to love you regardless. Yeah, we don't love you because you're tough. We love you because you're sweet. She is just pressed up tight. She is. She had to get covered up. She wouldn't get out of bed. She's really depressed. Luna, it's okay. We love you. You're our baby. You're our little baby girl doggy, aren't you? We're getting a roll out. Luna's feeling a little better. Wiggles is feeling better. Kaza is still sitting wherever she possibly can to glare at Choco. Okay, we're on our way to Norma's, and of course it's raining. It's raining. So I am going to take Calle La Via because, you know why I'm going to take Calle La Via?
To see if you see any reptiles on the ground.
I am. I always take Calle La Via looking for snakes, and I have not seen one yet. It's pretty discouraging at this point. No caimans today. But the turtles are back, so the caimans should be right behind them. There's the pinchos. Oh my goodness, I forgot to go to Norma's. I got to turn around. We stopped to get some produce at the produce stand. He does take atiace, but you have cash.
I do have cash. Should I use cash or atiace?
Uno más piña. I'm going to take y'all up here. We actually fish for snook and tarpon in this spot. This is old floodgates from when they controlled the water in the caño because it was used for basically sugarcane farming. That's why it's a grid of canals and stuff, very similar to the rice fields we have in South Carolina. And those of y'all that are stateside and you're familiar with mangroves, these are mangroves as well. The roots are different because these are black mangroves, not the red mangroves.
I've just got these.
Okay, here we are at Islote Beach. This is Norma's truck, and we are going to grab some grub.
I'm thinking, ooh, look, they have Malta ice cream like this.
Oh yeah, I might do a Malta.
Coca-Cola.
Malta para mí.
A Malta para ellos y Coca-Cola. Yeah.
Gracias, Norma. Gracias. Okay, we're gonna head up into the mountains. We're taking 129 the whole way. I'll show you what we got. Vaso de camarones, which is like a shrimp salad, and some tostones. And and Darb's got the same thing.
Yeah.
Darby is gonna taste her first Malta.
It tastes like molasses.
Yeah. I love it.
It's pretty good.
I'm scared. I don't want to do it.
Why?
Because I tried it once and I didn't like it.
Here's the pina colada in
my
La
God, I want one
Pina.
of those too.
Do they have bacalitos?
It doesn't look like it.
You want me to try to turn around? There's our favorite pincho place.
Pinchos al carbon.
I think we're just hungry.
Okay, so do you want a bacalito, or you want to see if you can get one up in Lares?
I'll just get one next weekend.
Okay.
If I can't get it in Lares, because we're not going through all that traffic.
Okay.
Continue on Interstate PR 22 for 3 kilometers.
Ooh. Okay, we're going up to Lares. We did bring some machetes, some grocery bags, and shovels because we might do some foraging for some plants. We're still getting a little bit of rain, and it's cloudy. I think it's going to be intermittent throughout the day. We got a little bit of sun, and we are headed into a little bit of sunlight, y'all. So it looks like the day might be improving.
See, that's the pile I was looking at.
Okay, real babes want some beans. Grab some of that, babe. Grab some cilantro.
Okay.
Here. So what are you getting? Beans, cilantro,
Yeah.
tomato, eggs.
No, we have eggs, and
Okay.
we can get tomato if you want, but I don't know if there's any more. Yeah, that one's good.
Oh.
You want to come?
Oh, sí. Tres, yeah. So far we've got some queso de país, which is country cheese, a gallon of coconut water, a bag of cilantro, 2 pounds of white beans, a fruit that's new to us. And how much cheese you want to get?
You want to know? The drink?
Oh, sí, sí, sí.
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Good. Alright, yeah.
It's coconut water time. Here we are, coming into Lares. Sports bar. Okay, we are in Lares. We parked and we're gonna walk into the plaza because it looks like they got some sort of festival going on today. or maybe a church event. So, and a lot of the streets are blocked off. Little Anoli.
There were 2 of them right there.
You ready? Bike rally going on today. Latin American Motorcycle Association. Oh.
I don't think it's for sale. I think it's decoration.
Yeah, they are. Yeah, you want a quail or a chicken?
Oh, I was talking about the birds of paradise.
Oh, I don't know about those. It is nice and sunny up here in Lares today. We really, really lucked out. It turned into a gorgeous day. They got Katie. Katie, the guinea pig. Katie. C-A-V-I-E. Katie. Yeah, that's plural. C-A-V-Y is singular. You want to get a little rooster?
Roosters are terrible.
No, these guys are friendly. I might buy the rooster.
Oh, it looks like they got good coffee too.
This place has got everything as far as ice cream.
Garlic. Yeah, so they're well known for their like interesting flavors of ice cream.
I'm sorry. Oh, yeah, garlic,
Potato.
papaya, sweet potato, parcha, cocoa. Guabanana's sour soft. What do you think?
Which one are you gonna get?
I ended up going with tamarindo, which is grows in like a bean pod. You mix it with sugar, the pulp, and it's like a cool little candy. It's got a sweet, tangy, tart taste, almost like a cranberry. And then I got a cerro, which they call a Puerto Rican cherry, and it's like more vitamin C than like anything else out there. I really, really like the painting of the Piragua vendor. Grab some ice cream. And now we're just gonna wander around the plaza a little bit. It looks like the bike rally is starting to thin out. Folks are starting to head home. Check out the Lares sign at the plaza. It's made out of machetes. It's so cool.
That's pretty cool.
That is very cool.
That's some really awesome artwork.
They've been pumping the Metallica almost exclusively today.
I remember that all week.
They're cranking out the classics today.
Yeah.
Well, where do y'all want to go next?
Well, it's too late for the museum. The cave closes in like 40 minutes.
Cave's
It's
closed
already
at 3.
Closed at 3. Yeah. It's an early island. We gotta get up early to catch all the good stuff.
Yep.
Relevant and pertinent to the episode.
Right.
Almost that time of year, y'all. And here we are at the Montero. I actually think we're gonna try to find some waterfalls to check out on our way back to Arecibo area. And we're actually heading to some pretty impressive falls. Cascades de GOZALANDIA. Is that how you pronounce it? GOZALANDIA? GOZALANDIA?
GOZALANDIA.
Well, trying to get some of the views up here. Oh, I probably should have pulled off. Here we go. Okay. No guardrail. Don't go over the edge.
Hold on. Regard. There's Lares for the
Yep. A pretty big bike run.
a huge one. Every caught one. I've never done before.
Is this possibly a waterfall of this canyon? It is, but it's not flowing.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, it is flowing a little, yeah. We are making a Lechon stop. Okay, we pulled over to get some Lechon for a lot of motorcycles this weekend. For y'all that are new to the channel, Lechon is whole roasted suckling pig. You know, like a pig on the spit, slowly roasted over a hardwood coal fire, and it is awesome. And we're gonna grab some right now. I'm getting some yuca escabeche, and I'm so hungry for it. Yeah, Real Babies is having a medalla.
Cheers.
This is the head of the Lechon delicacy.
Isn't that
Oh, bonito, bonito. We got some Lechon. And what else did you get, baby?
Just pork, rice, and then, yeah.
Ooh, okay.
With beans in it.
Are we gonna pour some of that out?
Yes.
I just want to take like a bite.
Good stuff, right?
Here, try the yuca. You're a big potato fan. I think you're gonna love it.
Potatoes are my favorite thing in the whole world.
Really?
This is yuca?
Yeah. That's good. Grab a bunch if you want. Let me get a piece of the skin.
Alright.
Ooh, with hot sauce, even better. So good. I crushed the escabeche. We're gonna do a kissing booth picture. We're gonna settle up and head to the waterfalls right now. Back on the road, headed to the waterfalls.
Peacocks and like
We are
all kinds
crossing the river right now, and we just passed a dead mongoose in the road.
I believe it's where these cars are coming from. That's where you're
Forward?
Yeah.
Okay.
like this.
You don't like these steep hills? Look, it keeps going up and getting twistier. It's okay, we're gonna live. This is a Mitsubishi Montero.
Be careful.
It is, Disculpe, sorry. This is 6 cylinders of Japanese Fury and an extremely low geared transmission. We can climb anything. Oh my goodness. Real Babes doesn't like it. It's okay, baby. Well, I'm an excellent driver, just like Rain Man.
I feel a little better about these roads. As
It
opposed to
is.
Some of the ones going like like up towards Utuado, like on the way to St. Christine.
Oh, with the no guardrails.
Yeah, those roads were sketchy.
Yeah. Darby was like, I feel safer on these roads because
It's like neighborhood.
there's houses.
Yeah.
So you can't just go off the side of the cliff.
I guess I would rather run into a house than off the edge of a cliff.
Yeah. Oh my goodness. Here it is.
Is this it?
This is it.
Yeah.
Now, we've never been here. This is a pretty big waterfall and it's pretty commercialized. So we don't know what to expect.
And it's private.
Is it private?
That's what it looks like.
Okay.
Yep.
I was like, okay.
Okay, we paid the admission because it's private. And now we're going all the way down.
On the right.
On the right. Okay.
Yeah,
Oh, I see it. Here we are, four-wheeling into Real Babes, Montero.
Yeah, I mean,
Oh, look at how pretty that dove is. I don't even know what... Does anybody in YouTube world know what species a dove that is?
I've never seen that color.
It looks almost like a woodpecker color. Looks like they've got a little restaurant here, a pond. Of course, I'm going to see if there's any turtles or fish in it. There's one turtle, and I think it's a Puerto Rican slider. There's a bunch of turtles over here, and there's a couple of tilapia swimming around as well. There's the restaurant, and I'll blow this up for y'all. These are all Puerto Rican sliders, not red ears, which are invasive, or hybrids, because they do hybridize. So this is a good, strong breeding population of the Puerto Rican sliders, which is the only freshwater native turtle species on the island of Puerto Rico.
Fish. You would know that.
Yeah, I was just telling them about the turtles. Are y'all ready to explore and delve deep into the tropical rainforest along this poured concrete stepway and manicured path?
Sounds amazing.
Out, and then let's go down.
Wow.
Oh yeah.
This is so cool. Wow.
Beautiful. What?
I said this looks slick.
Okay, well, be careful.
Yeah.
Feels good.
That way.
It doesn't feel slick.
Okay.
Is it slick?
Yeah.
Okay, y'all, check it out. This is a Puerto Rican crested anole, and they have like a sailfin crest. They're one of my favorite lizards. Don't be camera shy. Oh, and he was. Two. I am walking in the riverbed to give you an idea of how dry everything is right now. So the water flow is at a minimal. Oh, there's some fish. Looks like the same type of mullet that are in the springs over at Zanja Fria. You still getting in?
Oh, I wasn't getting
Okay.
over my shorts to start.
Water's cold.
But I would have had a big.
Selfie time with Real Babes.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Looks like you might.
Yep. It's cold. My shorts dry pretty quick. You should get into. We can all jump at once. Is it deep enough to jump here? What's it looking like?
See where my hand is?
Yeah.
Hang on. Okay, I'm on a ledge right here.
Okay.
So, here maybe.
You go right off here?
Yeah.
Okay. I didn't dive. It's cold. Yeah, this water's real cold. This is absolutely incredible back in here. How's that water feel?
Amazing. Feels good. A pan for solar.
Here, I'll swim back over there. You going up?
Where do you jump off at?
Go up and go to your right. I think it is pretty iffy.
I didn't say iffy, I said sketchy.
Okay. Well, I think it's pretty sketchy too. You look like a rock star. You should be on like Naked and Afraid after this. Straight out. If you don't want to, don't do it.
There's no other way to get down.
Good point. Good point.
You can come down there, yeah.
Yeah, get as close to the edge as possible.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, just good job. Everybody else ready?
Darby's like 10 years younger. I'm not going up that. I almost already slipped. Darby's doing it again. Real Babe's just lost her phone. Yeah, hang on to the phone.
But it's not connected to my phone. Which means the Bluetooth signal can't get through.
Means it's probably 30 foot below.
That's exactly what that means.
It's too far away to pick up the signal.
Yeah.
Alright, use find items. Let's see if this works. Oh, no, it's not gonna work.
Where are you gonna have to order one?
Order one what?
A new phone.
Well, I have a backup for here for now. Another iPhone. It just doesn't have, it's not like an awesome big data storage kind of iPhone. But yes.
All
I'm
the
gonna have to get a new
pictures
one.
from today are gone.
Probably.
Well,
I mean,
they might be on the cloud.
they could be in the cloud. If we have signal here, I would check and see if you have signal. If you have signal, they might be in the cloud.
Okay. Okay. Darby just spotted another snake. I don't have my glasses on. This looks like a little ground snake. Oh, he's about to shed. He can't see. His eyes are all milky covered. He can smell me right now. He knows I'm here. He's a little sketched out.
I was kidding.
Oh, okay. You said pick him up. I tried.
I know,
There he
but
goes.
I just want him to swim over here to me.
He musked. I can smell him. Musk, they release it from their cloaca. It's a self-defense mechanism. Predators go, ugh, icky, and they drop them and let him go. And there he goes. Off to do his snake business for the night. Probably includes eating some lizards.
Oh yeah. Looks like a pretty smooth operator. Yeah.
Okay, and now we're ready for my favorite part of the day, which is the uphill hike out of these hikes. I'm not ready to go back uphill, but we have no choice.
I'm ready to go back up.
Yeah?
I also lose things a lot.
Getting on the 129 and gonna ride that all the way back into Otsego.
You know, months, you know what I'm saying? You get to like stronger at a time.
Okay, y'all, we just turned back onto 681 and we are in Islote. And it is a pumping, thumping Sunday night on 681. It looks like it's a pretty busy night at the Galera too. That is a super jam-packed night.
Where are all of these people? I know.
Yeah, my goodness. They're all over. Must be a super huge night at the Galera.
Huh.
We are back on Calle La Villa, almost to the house, and once again, hoping to see a snake. Okay, neighbor dog and Kaza are out the gate. Let's see who's in.
Stop. Don't worry about it.
The little dogs are doing pretty good. I'm still feeding Choco over here though, just to give her a little bit of space. She's a good girl. Okay, that's it for today, y'all. It was a pretty big day. Don't know what tomorrow's gonna bring. Choco's getting pretty excited. But whatever we do, oh, I know we're getting the materials from the hardware store. So we're getting a lot of plywood, a lot of lumber tomorrow delivered. And not sure what we're gonna do, but whatever we do, y'all are coming along with us. Love y'all, good night. We will see y'all soon. Stop it, Choco.